Hey there, no one likes to wait, especially your customers. A delayed response, that's the quickest way to lose your customers' trust. So if you're running a company and if you're taking care of a customer service team, then setting up SLA is a must. Now I'll tell you how to set this up in your Zoho Desk account. Under setup, you will find service level agreement under automation. So here we are going to create a new SLA. So let the name of the SLA be priority, and I want this SLA to be triggered every time a new ticket is created. So now let me add a few targets based on priority. So here, if the priority is set to be low, then I want the tickets to be responded within 8 hours and resolved within 24 hours. I can either choose calendar hours, or if I have configured business hours, I can choose one of them. So once this is set, what happens when your agents do not respond within 8 hours? You're going to enable this response escalation, where you have to set when to escalate, on time or before 10 minutes or so, and whom to escalate. Do you want to escalate it to the agent or their manager? You can select them, and you can also select the template to be sent during escalation. Similarly, you can set up resolution escalation too. And now let us add a new target for the priority high. So when the priority is high, I want to respond within just 2 hours and resolve within 5 hours. So this would be the SLA agreement we have set, and I'm going to enable resolution escalation here. So here I want to escalate it to Rex, and let me change the ticket owner here. So once this is saved, the SLA role is completely set. So this is how you set up SLA for your system, and as you can see on the tickets, the due date would be automatically added to the tickets, and your agents must resolve them before it goes overdue. So we have seen how to set up departments, agents, channels and automation, and these are the first things that you should do when you sign up for Zoho Desk, and we'll cover more topics in the upcoming sections. Thank you.